to the breakfast selection on the last day on Discovery Princess. Shrimp cocktail. Granola yogurt. Lots of bacon, mushrooms, cauliflower, biscuits, oatmeal, grits, cornmeal, Hi there. Roasted tomatoes, potatoes, corned beef hash. Scrambled eggs, 3 kinds of sausage. Yeah. Hello. Pancakes, waffles. You can't see them; they're covered up. Eggs Benedict. Potatoes. Vanilla spiced French toast. Of course, in here you have granola, yogurt, cereal and dispensers, Special K, all brand, fruit, beef tapa.
Beef tapa.
No. And then fruit cups. Oh, salad bar too. Let's go over to the pastry shop real quick. We are just pulling in to San Pedro. It's 6:15. Bagels. Sorry, I'm trying to rush down here. Place is already busy. Going down to the pastry shop. No cookies.
Yes. Chocolate?
Lots of sweet rolls. Hey, bran muffins. Coffee bar. Get your specialty coffee there. Rolls and bread. That's it. That's probably going to be the last post until I get home and edit of the brand new Discovery Princess. Hope you enjoy your time on it. Port Mug is out, and see you in the next port. Bye.